Okay, pups, you hide and I'll seek. Ready, set, go! 1, 2,
They'll never find me here.
Yay!
3, 4. I love hide and seek. 5. Ready or not, here I come. Where could they be? Oh. Huh? What's this? Wow, a dragon's egg. It must have rolled down from the Dragon Highlands. Poor baby dragon. The dragons will be so worried. Don't worry, baby dragon. Wait right here. I'll be right back.
What was that? A dragon's egg? How did those pesky rescue knights get their paws on a dragon's egg? Oh my, this gives me an awfully good idea. I'll take this egg and when it hatches, it'll think I'm its mama and it'll listen to everything I say. I can't wait.
Once I'm in control of this dragon, I'll surely be known as the greatest knight Barking-Buck has ever had.
One more thing, I've gotta lock those annoying rescue knights in. They're always on my tail. Well,
There will be no pups standing in my way this time.
Oh, Rubble, you found us. No time to play, Ryder. I found a dragon's egg outside. A dragon's egg? We gotta find the other dragons. You're right, Rubble. Ruff, dragon megaphone. Rescue Knights, come out wherever you are. We've got a rescue mission on our paws.
Huh? What?
A dragon's egg? Rubble, use the periscope to see if there are any dragons nearby. I don't see any dragons, but I do see... Claw! He's running away with the egg! We've got to stop him! Right, pups, after him. Let's go, go, go! It's locked!
Claw must be behind this. What are we gonna do now? We're stuck!
Rubble, use your catapult to break through the castle wall. Step aside, rescue knights! Rubble, on the double! Arf! Catapult! Oh, yeah!
Awesome!
Awesome! All right, Rubble! All right, Rubble!
Yeah! Woohoo!
I think I lost them. Phew. I can't believe I got away with it. A dragon's egg. All mine.
Not so fast, Claw. That egg doesn't belong to you. Hand it over!
But I was gonna be a knight.
You shouldn't take things that don't belong to you, Claw.
Oh, all right. You win again, rescue knights.
They must be looking for the baby dragon. Oh, they look sad. Don't worry, dragons. We've got the baby right here, safe and sound. It was nothing. We're just happy you're all back together. Whenever you've got a problem,
Just yell for help! It's hatching! I gotta get my paws on that dragon's tooth, Sparks.
With it, I'll be the most powerful knight in all the land and have every dragon in the Dragon Highlands at my command. Wait here, I'll be right back. I know the dragon's tooth is hidden in this castle somewhere. Not here. Not here either. Huh? What is this? A secret room with a secret book. I'll bet the dragon's tooth's hiding place is written in there.
La-di-da-di-da.
Oh, someone's coming. I'm taking this with me.
That's funny. The door was open. The photo album, it's gone. Oh, how careless could that butler have been to leave the door wide open like this? Someone's taken it for sure. I mean, who wouldn't want a photo album full of me? I've got to find it before the princess knows it's missing. She'll be so sad to know it's gone. There are so many royal memories in there.
Excellent roll, Marshall! Hey, sweetie, what's up?
I didn't want to call you, but the royal family photo album is missing. And I must find it before the Princess of Barkingburg knows it's gone. She'll be so upset.
We're on it. No book is too lost. No pup is too small. Let's get to the bottom of this, pups.
Thank goodness you're here. That photo album is an heirloom.
What's an heirloom? It means it's been in the royal family for hundreds of years.
And now it's gone. We must find it.
Right, pups, let's split up. Chase and Marshall, you take the top floor. Rocky and Rubble, you take the middle floor. Sky, Zuma, and I will search the castle grounds. All right, PAW Patrol is on a roll. Hey, wait a minute! Marshall, come have a look at this!
Nothing. There's nothing in here about the dragon's tooth. It's just old photos of royal people and their silly royal pets. How boring. Useless.
Oh no! He's dropped the photo album and it's headed straight for...
The moat. Do something, Ryder.
Rubble, I'll need you to deploy the castle's net, and fast! Rubble, on the double! Ruff, net! Sky, I'll need you to use your dual articulating hooks to knock the album off course.
This pup's gotta fly. Arf! Hooks!
Excellent work, pups. We found the album just in time to stop it from becoming a waterlogged mess.
I wonder what Claw wanted with the royal family photo album. That sneaky pup is always up to something.
At least he didn't take the dragon's tooth.
Yet. Out of my way, pups. That dragon's tooth is mine.
Quick, the cage!
Not today, Claw. Thanks to you, pups. The photo album and the dragon's tooth are still safe and sound.
Don't mention it, sweetie. Whenever you've got a problem, just yell for help!
Help! Help me! Oh, Claw, off you go. No more funny business. You tell him, sweetie.
Yeah.
Today's the day we've been practicing for, Sparks. The Dragon Games. Every year, the people of Barkingburg gather for an exciting game ball match where the winner is named Knight of the Year. And every year, that pesky rescue knight Sky wins. Well, not this year. This year, I've got a plan.
Are you pups ready for the Dragon Games today?
Pause.
Yeah.
Wait. You bet, Your Royal Highness. I'm ready to defend my title as the Game Ball Champ. How about you, Dragon Buddy?
Wow!
All right. Well, we better head over to the arena. We don't want to be late.
The rescue knights should be through here on their way to the game ball arena any minute now. Shh, here they come. Psst, psst. Hey, over here. Bet you want one of these marshmallows, don't ya? This is too easy.
Oh boy, I'm so excited! I love the Dragon Games.
All right, Scorch. We'd better stretch if we want to be ready for the game ball match. Scorch? Hey, where is she?
That's strange. She was here just a minute ago.
No problem. I'm sure she's not far. I'll double back to find her. Be right back.
All right, now we wait.
Scorch! Oh, Scorch! Where are you, buddy? There you are! Why are you back here at the castle? We gotta get ready for the game ball match.
Ha ha! Just as I planned it.
Oh no! I'm stuck!
Looks like I'll get to be the game ball champ this year.
Claw! I should have known you were behind this. You won't get away with this.
We'll see about that. Toodaloo!
Uh-oh.
I need you to go and tell the other rescue knights. I gotta get out of here.
Scorch! What is it, pal? Pups, I think Sky's stuck.
Oh, no!
Sky! Rubble, I'll need you to fly back toward the castle and search for Sky. Rubble, on the double! Hurry, Rubble!
Help! Help! Oh, I'll never be able to defend my title as the game ball champ if I'm stuck in here. Help!
Aha! Sky, there you are!
Rubble! Chase! Get me out of here! Claw's behind this whole thing. He's trying to cheat at the game ball competition by locking me up in here.
Hold on, Sky! I'll get you out!
Thanks, Rubble.
Don't mention it, Sky. Now let's get back there so you can show Claw that cheaters never win.
And winners never cheat. Awesome!
Oh, hurry, Sky! We're losing badly!
You got it, Ryder. This pup's gotta fly.
Woo! Yeah!
No!
Surprised to see me?
I hereby name you Night Sky, the Game Ball champion of this year's Dragon Games.
Yeah!
Hey, what about me?
I hereby name you Cheetah Claw, disqualified.
Thanks for coming to my rescue. I'm so glad I got to defend my title once again.
No problem, Sky. You know the drill. Whenever you've got a problem.
Just yelp for help.
All right. How about we play some game ball? Let's go!
All right, little dudes. Almost there. We'll have you back to your home in the Dragon Highlands in no time.
I'll bet you're tired from all that fun you had in Barkingburg this morning. This mountain's pretty steep. You'll have to fly from here, Dragon Buddies. Bye-bye! What's wrong, buddy? Don't you know how to fly? Aw, it's okay. Zuma, I don't think he knows how to fly yet.
How will we get him back up the mountain now?
I've got an idea. Let's call Ryder.
Yum! These are great! Hey, pups, how's it going? Did you get the babies back to their home in the Dragon Highlands?
Almost, Ryder. The final part of the journey is up a super steep mountain. The only way to get up is to fly.
Problem is, one of the little dragon dudes doesn't know how to fly.
Poor little buddy! Well, we'll have to teach him. Stand by, pups. We'll be right there.
You got it, Ryder.
All right, pups, to the Dragon Highlands. All right, little dragon, time to teach you how to fly.
Just flap your wings. Like this.
I think he needs a little more help. I know. Chase. Use your dual tennis ball launcher to knock a big leaf down out of that tree. The biggest one you can find. Chase is on the case. And Zuma, use your rapid-fire buoy launcher to do the same.
You got it, Ryder, dude.
Now, Rubble, use your dual wrecking ball spinner to uproot that small tree. We'll use it, along with the leaves, to construct a parasail for the baby dragon.
Rubble on the double!
Rocky, you're up. Use your dragon tow hook to tow that dragon. With your help, he'll get some air and be flying in no time.
Green means go. Okay, baby dragon, flap those wings.
He's doing it!
Awesome!
All right, Sky, you're up. Show him how it's done.
This pup and baby dragons gotta fly. Whoa! Yay! Aw, they're so happy to see each other. A marshmallow? For me? Thanks, baby dragon. Oh, it was nothing. Whenever a baby dragon goes missing, just yelp for help.
Well, it was quite an eventful day, wouldn't you say, Busby? Trying to find the royal photo album, finally getting it back from that awful Claw and his dragon Sparks. I've certainly worked up quite an appetite. How about you? Roasted marshmallows. You're right, Busby. They are indeed the best part of a delicious s'more.
I'll find that dragon's tooth yet. Then I'll have ultimate control over all the dragons and be the most powerful knight in all the land. Oh, Sparks, do you ever stop thinking about food? It smells like someone's roasting marshmallows. That's it. Turn around, Sparks. Sparks, I said turn up. All right, but this is my last marshmallow. If I can't have the dragon's tooth, then a bunch of marshmallows is the next best thing. Dragons love marshmallows, and I'll need plenty more if I want to keep Sparks' attention. Follow that smell! Oh, look at all these marshmallows, Busby. We've got enough for a whole feast. Did someone say marshmallows? I'll have every beast in the Dragon Highlands at my command with all these. Oh, no, you don't. You've ruined enough for one day, Claw. These marshmallows are mine. I don't see your name on them. Step aside, sweetie.
Give those back!
Let go.
You can't have everything you want all the time, Claw. Hey! Put me down! Sweetie! Time for your bedtime bath. Sweetie? What's that, Busby? Sweetie's been taken by Claw and Sparks? Oh no! I need the rescue knights!
Hey, it's the princess. Hello, your highness.
Ryder, Claw and Sparks have made off with my precious Sweetie. I don't know where they've taken her or why.
Don't worry, princess. No job is too big, no pup is too small. Rescue knights to the castle headquarters. Rescue knights ready for action, Ryder, sir. Thanks for hurrying, pups. No problem, Ryder. We gotta find Sweetie. That's right, Marshall. So for this mission, I'll need Sky. I'll need you to use your dragon wings to search from above. Barking Bird, the Dragon Highlands, everywhere.
On it, Ryder. This pup's gotta fly.
And Chase, I'll need you to go with Sky. Use your dragon megaphone to call out to Sweetie. Earth, Chase is on the case. The rest of you pups stand by. I'll work the periscope to see what I can see. Sweetie, do you hear me, Sweetie? Bark if you do. Do you see anything, Sky?
Nothing yet, Chase.
Rescue Knights, I've got eyes on Sweetie. She's with Sparks and Claw in the Highlands. They're headed toward a giant pile of marshmallows? Woo! Yummy! It must be a secret stash. I'm sending in Rubble for backup. Rubble, I'll need you to use your catapult to lure Sparks away from Sweetie by tossing marshmallows. Rubble on the delicious double!
You won't get away with this, Claw.
I already have. Thanks for adding to my marshmallow stash, Sweetie. the rescue knife.
Hey, Sparks! Go fetch!
Hey, Sparks! Stop! Stop it! Sparks, slow down!
Guess he only listens to the one tossing marshmallows.
Thank you so much for returning my precious sweetie, Rescue Knights.
No problem, Your Highness. Whenever you're in a sticky situation, just yelp for help. Delicious!
This place needs a bit of cleaning up. Wouldn't you say, Chickaletta? The windows could use a good wash. The bushes need trimming. Oh, and you're right. The clock tower could use a coat of paint. Well, let's do it, Chickaletta. We make a great team. We can have this place cleaned up in no time. Besides, we want it looking pristine for the community picnic this afternoon. We'd better get started. All right, Chickaletta, let's get to it. Would you hand me that paintbrush over there, please? Oh, no! Chickaletta! Don't worry, my sweet chicken. I'll call the PAW Patrol.
Hiya, Mayor Goodway. How's it going?
Ryder, my poor Chickaletta is stuck hanging from City Hall in a bucket of paint.
Don't worry, Mayor Goodway. We're on our way. PAW Patrol to the lookout. Thanks for hurrying, pups. Mayor Goodway needs help cleaning up City Hall, but not before rescuing Chickaletta, who's stuck hanging from the roof in a bucket of paint.
Sounds messy.
That's why for this mission, I'll need Marshall in his new Rise and Rescue fire truck. Arf, arf, I'm fired up.
Marshall, up here.
Sit tight, Chickaletta. I've got this. Almost there.
Oh no, what now?
Don't worry, Mayor Goodway. This fire truck is always ready for a red-hot rise and rescue. Arf, arf, drone! Oh dear!
We're in a worse mess than when we started, Marshall. We'll never have this place clean in time for the community picnic today.
Never say never, Mayor Goodway. I'm on it. All right, double water launcher.
We couldn't have done it without you, Marshall.
Aw, it was nothing. Thanks to my Possum Rise and Rescue fire truck. This place looks great, Marshall. Excellent work.
And we finished in time for the community picnic.
It's like we always say, Mayor Goodway. Whenever you've got a problem, just for help. Let's eat! Who brought the pup treats?
I'm hungry, Jean-Claude. No. No, you know what I really want. Dragonberries.
Did someone say dragonberries? There's only one bush that grows them way up in the Dragon Highlands, protected by the dragons who live there.
I know, that's why I want them. I want to be the first person ever to eat a dragonberry pie.
You're onto something. I like it. What do you say? If I help you with this, you can make me...
Knight of Barkingburg again? You got it.
All
All right.
There it is, the dragonberry bush.
Wow, they do look delicious and I don't see any dragons. Let's go.
Delicious. I've never tasted berries so fresh and juicy before.
When we bring back buckets full of dragonberries, we'll be known as the bravest two in all the land.
Huh, way braver than the rescue knights.
What is it, Jean-Claude? You're going to wake the dragons.
I think he's trying to tell us. They're already awake! Better get out of here! Whoa! Whoa! Get me out of here!
Don't just stand there, Jean-Claude. Do something.
Jean-Claude, what are you doing here? He says there's trouble in the Dragon Highlands. Claw and the Duke were trying to steal the rare dragon berries. And now Claw is stuck, and the dragons have him surrounded. We're on it, Jean-Claude. No job is too big, no pup is too small. All right, for this mission, I'll need Marshall. I'll need you to use your ladder to free Claw from the tangled vines. And Rubble, load your scoop with marshmallows. And Chase, use your tennis launcher to toss the marshmallows away from Claw and the Duke. You got it, Ryder!
Let's go! We got this!
Yeah! All right, rescue knights are on a roll. Arf, arf! All right!
Oh, I'm so relieved you're here. We're surrounded by ferocious fire-breathing dragons.
These little guys?
Yes! Get them out of here!
You got it! Here, Chase! If there's one thing dragons love more than dragon berries, it's marshmallow launcher! Arf!
You! Now get me down from here!
You got it! I'll loosen the vine so you can get down. Talk about a soft landing!
Finally! Took you pups long enough.
You're welcome, Claw. Hey, Pops! The Princess of Barkingburg's birthday is coming up. You know, these dragonberries would make an extra special birthday pie.
Hey, wait! I'm supposed to be the first to try a dragonberry pie. Me. Let's go, Claw.
I wonder if these dragons would mind if we took a few. Really? They're thanking us for getting rid of Claw and the Duke. Thanks! Whenever you've got a pesky problem, just yelp for help. Hey, pups. How'd it go up in the Dragon Highlands? Fantastic, Ryder! The dragons gave us all these dragon berries as a thank you for saving their dragonberry bush. Wow, really?
Really yummy!
We were thinking they could be turned into an extra special pie for the Princess of Barkingburg's birthday.
Hey! We should plan an entire royal birthday feast!
Great idea, pups. Let's get started. Great work, pups. The princess will be so surprised.
Let's go get her! Yip, 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 yip.
What's all this now? A birthday party for the princess? Ugh, it's not fair. Everyone thinks she's so special.
Is that a dragonberry birthday pie?
I was supposed to be the first to eat a dragonberry pie. Huh.
I've got an idea. If I help you crash this party, then you can finally make me the one-true knight of Barkingburg again.
Deal!
Now you're talking. Light it up, Sparks.
Wait! Okay, now!
Those two, ruining the princess's surprise party like this. They won't get away with it. Woohoo!
Ha! Try having a royal birthday feast now, cousin.
Okay, Your Highness, you can open your... Huh?
What happened? Where are all the presents? And the food!
And the table. We planned a whole royal feast for your birthday, but someone's ruined it.
It's okay, Rescue Knights. What you've tried to do is really thoughtful.
I'm sorry, Your Royal Highness.
Don't worry, Sky. We'll make it happen.
We will?
We will.
Yeah!
No time to waste. Marshall, we'll need you to use your water cannon to put out these simmering embers. Arf, arf! I'm fired up! Rubble and Chase, you start a search party for the missing presents. Arf, arf! Chase is on the case! Rocky and Zuma, you start the search for our missing table.
You got it, Ryder Dude.
Ryder! Claw and the Duke, they're behind all of this. They took off with the dragonberry pie. I saw it all.
Thanks, sweetie. And Sky, use your copter to catch up to Sparks and get that dragonberry pie back.
On it, Ryder. This pup's gotta fly.
All right, PAW Patrol is on a roll.
I can't wait to dig into this
I'll take that.
Hey!
Hey!
This pie isn't yours. It's for the princess's party.
Awesome work, pups. Happy birthday, Your Royal Highness.
Oh, thank you, Rescue Knights. You've really gone above and beyond.
We're just missing...
Dragonberry pie, anyone?
Good one, Sky.
Isn't it so beautiful out here, Horatio? To be outside is one of life's great joys. Seriously stunning, cousin. Thanks for inviting me along on this nature walk. Nothing does the body better than a big breath of fresh air. Horatio, look quickly, over there. Baby bunnies. Keep it down, cousin. We don't want to frighten them off. Oh, that's utterly adorable. All that tummy grumbling is going to scare the bunnies off. Didn't you have a big breakfast before we left? That's not my tummy, Francois. That's an avalanche! Tumbling tunas! Talk about treacherous! This poor bunny! He has been separated from his other bunny friend! We must do something! We need the PAW Patrol!
Oh, hey, Captain Turbot. Hi, Francois. What's going on?
Ryder, there has been an avalanche! We are stuck on one side of a great rock wall with a poor bunny who has been separated from his friend. We need help!
Don't worry, Francois. We're on it. No rock wall is too big. No pup is too small. This sounds like a job for Chase's Rise and Rescue Cruiser. Arf, arf! Chase is on the case!
That was fast!
Let's get eyes on this bunny! Still too tall. I can't see him over this rock wall. But I can hear him. Sit tight, little bunny. Chase is on the case. Arf, arf, drone!
Whoa, incredible!
All right, Bunny, just hop in the basket.
Oh, I love a happy ending. Thanks, Chase. Slow down, Francois. We still need a solution for this seriously sizable stack of stones.
Don't worry, Captain Turbot. I've got it covered. Ruff! Tennis ball launcher.
You work fast.
You bet. Excellent work, Chase. The bunnies are back together, and the path is clear for everyone to enjoy. Thanks, Ryder. I couldn't have done it without my Possum Rise and Rescue Cruiser.
Another predicament patched up by the PAW Patrol.
Don't mention it, Captain Turbot. Whenever you've got a problem, just yelp for help.
That's utterly adorable.
All done my early morning baking. That's another giant batch of delicious marshmallow puffs ready for today's customers to enjoy. Whoa, hey there, little guys. What are you doing down from the Dragon's Highlands? Oh my, that's a mighty loud tummy grumble. You three must be hungry. Here, how about a tray of marshmallow puffs? Hey now, don't go in there. That bakery wasn't built for... Clumsy baby dragons. Oh dear. Oh no, I better call the rescue knights.
Hey, Chef, what's going on?
Ryder, 3 baby dragons came down from the Dragon Highlands, attracted obviously by the smell of my fresh-baked marshmallow puffs.
You do make good marshmallow puffs.
Yes, quite. But they're terrorizing the town. The bakery is on fire. Who knows what chaos they'll cause next?
We're on it. No job is too big, no pup is too small. Rescue Knights to the castle headquarters. Do you smell that? The Barkingburg Bakery must have fresh batches of marshmallow puffs this morning. Delicious!
We should head into town and get some.
Not yet, pups. Ryder needs us. Rescue Knights ready for action, Riders, sir. Thanks for hurrying, pups. A few babies have made their way down from the Dragon Highlands. Now they're causing all sorts of chaos around Barkingburg.
Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good.
It's not. The bakery is already on fire. That's why for this mission, I'll need Marshall. I'll need you to use your water cannon on your Rescue Knight vehicle to put out the fire.
I'm ready for a red-hot rescue.
The rest of you pups, head into town and use your Rescue Knight vehicles to herd the babies back to the Dragon Highlands and clean up the town.
On it, Ryder.
Oh no! Look at this mess! Ruff, ruff! Water cannon! Phew! Excellent work, Marshall. Now, Zuma and Sky, herd those dragons back to their home in the Highlands.
On it, Ryder.
But first, Chase, use your dual ball launcher to load their vehicles up with marshmallows. The dragons will be sure to follow them then. Arf, arf! Chase is on the case!
Let's go, little dudes. Marshmallows this way.
All right, Rocky, Rubble, and Marshall, use your vehicles to clean up this mess. Possum teamwork, pups. Barkingburg is looking good as new.
Yes, the Barkingburg Bakery is saved and the babies are on their way back to the Dragon Highlands.
Are those marshmallow puffs?
Well, yes, they are, Rubble. Just my way of saying thank you for a job well done.
Don't mention it whenever you've got a problem. Just
yell for help.
Hum, yum, 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 yum.